tell from the title, today isn't gonna be... I can't talk. Anyways, today is gonna be about memo pad making. I made a prototype version and it turned out good. I learned though I need to put more layers of glue because it kind of like broke apart too easily, I guess. And also I need to really make sure that the edges are straight when I glue them apart. So I'm just gonna take you throughout the whole process as I make hopefully not prototype versions and good versions. I don't know if you saw it in the other videos. I can't remember if I had it, or if you follow me on TikTok, by now it should be up. There's one with clouds, and then there's like a bullet point list that says new beginnings, and I am in love. I think my favorite is the clouds though. Stick around and let's make memo pads. So if you haven't seen it yet, these are the clouds. These are probably my favorite, so dreamy. And then we have new beginnings, and I'm gonna use my paper cutter and get a rough cut first, and then I'll sharpen it up with scissors to make it all perfect.
Me di cuenta de mi afecto, lo acepto. Nada evita que me surtas tu efecto y por eso siento que estás aquí para quedarte así.
Okay, but last minute I made this design and it's really cute. You can't really see the pinks that well, I don't know, but it's really cute. Okay, you know what these are reminding me of? Kirby vibes. Anyway, so cute. Alright, so I have all the rough cuts in here, and then I have these as well to cut with my handy dandy scissors. And yeah, that won't be till tomorrow because I'm tired. Hey guys, I think it's been a day since I was last cutting them, and I just got done sorting throughout like the really bad ones and the good ones, and then I realized I printed some on the other side of the paper, so they're off. The color's off, so I'm printing the rest of those so I can start gluing, and my PVA glue came in. So this is the PVA glue that I'm going to use, ideal for binding and paper projects. So I've seen a lot of people on TikTok use this, so I hope it works out great, because before with my first attempt I was using Mod Podge. It probably would have worked really good if I gave it more coats, but I just did one coat because I was just so eager to see if it worked out, but it's not as strong, so hopefully this will do its job. Okay, also, can we talk about this rose design that I made? Oh my gosh. I've had this rose drawn in my sketchbook for a while, and I just digitized it and playing around, and I think it will look cute as a memo pad. I don't know. Let's see. Also, I have finished the cuts of the clouds. And then here's the 3x3, and then the new beginnings one. So they're all ready. I have them sectioned out, all ready to glue. I'm just gonna cut the rose ones and then we'll get to it. And then I have a bunch of bad ones that either had like smudges on them or just the color was obviously off, and that'll be like the first piece I use so that none of the glue or anything gets on the actual memo pads. Also, these are the backings that I will have. Usually you see like brown cardboard, but I have cardstock that's 120, so I just decided to print my logo on the back of them just to have the brand in case anyone forgets. So we have glued the tops, and now I'll let it sit overnight. You can see this one's already drying. It's so clear. That's really good that it doesn't leave any residue. And then this is a fresh one, so you can really see the difference from when it's drying to how it is when it's freshly done. So next day, my pink grid clouds and the rose came out good. Just these three needed a little bit of a more coat towards the back because it seems like the cardstock on the back didn't really adhere to the rest of everything. So I just put another coat. I'm gonna let those sit, and now we're gonna make the packaging for the memo pads. I'm sad, this was one of the good ones, but like this first part seems to not be lined up correctly. So I'm probably gonna make this an oopsies memo pad because it has all the 50 sheets. It's literally that one that's literally coming apart. So this is the packaging I made. For example, it'll go like this. Give it a good fold, and bam. I'll cut this off, and I'll just double-sided tape on the back, and bam, we're good to go. Now just gotta get the listings done, and we are good. If you stuck around this long, thank you so much for watching. I'm on Instagram, Etsy, TikTok. Let me know your favorite part of the video. If you're excited for memo pads, I'm really excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for a while and been hesitating, and I'm just ripping off the band-aid now. My plan this year is to be more consistent, so let me know if you guys have anything you want me to show you, or any behind the scenes or day-to-day life processes. Let me know.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm not just another one of the nice guys. Open